Why gold is breaking records. Gold is soaring. Across the world, investors, central banks, and even ordinary people are buying gold at record levels. The price of gold has reached new highs, breaking records that many thought would take years to achieve. But why is gold suddenly becoming so valuable? Is it fear of inflation, economic uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, or is something much bigger happening behind the scenes? In this video, we'll explore why gold is breaking records and what it could mean for your money, the global economy, and the future. Let's get started. WHY GOLD matters. For thousands of years, gold has been considered a store of value. Unlike paper money, gold cannot simply be printed by governments. It is rare, durable, and globally recognized. When people lose confidence in financial markets or currencies, they often turn to gold as a safe haven. That's exactly what we're seeing today. Inflation fears. One of the biggest reasons gold rises is inflation. When prices increase and currencies lose purchasing power, investors look for assets that can preserve wealth. Gold has historically been viewed as protection against inflation. As living costs rise and uncertainty remains high, demand for gold often increases. And when demand rises, prices tend to follow. Central banks are buying. Something unusual has been happening in recent years. Central banks around the world have been buying large amounts of gold. Countries want to diversify their reserves and reduce dependence on foreign currencies. This trend has helped create additional demand in the gold market. When governments themselves start accumulating gold, investors pay attention. Global uncertainty. Financial markets dislike uncertainty. Wars, political tensions, trade disputes, and economic slowdowns can make investors nervous. When uncertainty increases, many people move money out of riskier assets and into safer investments. Gold often benefits from this shift. Recent geopolitical developments have increased concerns about the stability of the global economy, helping drive gold prices higher. The US dollar connection. Gold and the US dollar often have an interesting relationship. When confidence in the dollar weakens, gold can become more attractive. Many investors use gold as a hedge against currency risks. As governments around the world increase debt levels and financial uncertainty grows, some investors are looking for alternatives to traditional currencies. Gold remains one of the most popular options. Investor demand. Modern investors can buy gold more easily than ever before. Gold ETFs, online trading platforms, and investment funds allow millions of people to gain exposure to gold within seconds. As more investors enter the market, demand increases. Combined with limited supply, this creates upward pressure on prices. How would gold keep rising? This is the big question. Some analysts believe gold could continue reaching new highs if inflation remains elevated and global uncertainty continues. Others argue that stronger economic growth or higher interest rates could slow its momentum. The truth is that nobody knows exactly what will happen next. But one thing is certain: gold remains one of the most closely watched assets in the world. Conclusion. Gold is breaking records because of a combination of factors: inflation concerns, central bank buying, geopolitical tensions, economic uncertainty, investor demand together. These forces have pushed gold to historic levels. The real question is, are we witnessing a temporary surge or the beginning of a much bigger trend? What do you think? Will gold continue to rise over the next few years? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching Explore Understand Beyond.